Today, I'm going to share 2 strategies to get rid of your C-section shelf or that pulled in look or overhang look of your C-section scar. Not only is this going to smooth and flatten your scar and stomach, this is going to prevent adhesions to your internal organs and your intestines, which can cause pain. Your surgery went through 7 layers of tissues to take your baby out, and your tissues used to slide very easily together, but when you have a scar, it can cause adhesions where it sticks together and it doesn't slide, giving it that pulled in appearance or that shelf appearance. After your C-section has healed, usually about 6 weeks, and after you have clearance from your doctor, midwife, or physiotherapist, you want to start scar mobilization and cupping to get rid of those adhesions. When my son was 3 months old, he had surgery on his lip for his cleft lip, and scar mobilization and massage was a mandatory part of the recovery 3 or 4 times a day. So I'm always surprised when women come in after their C-section and they have not been told about scar massage and mobilization at all. You can start massaging above and below your scar and then start with tissue sensitization. And as it feels comfortable, you can use 2 fingers and do circles. You can go up and down. And as it heals more, you can really start to get deeper doing circles. And the most advanced is to pick up the tissues and roll the tissues. The other technique is cupping, which you will want lotion for. With the massage, you don't want to use a lotion because you want friction, but you will need lotion for the cupping. So you can take your cup, and if you haven't done cupping before, it might be a good idea to go see an expert the first time and they can show you how. But basically, you want to pull up on the skin, which is going to relieve the adhesions in a different way. Massage, you're pushing down, and the cupping is going to pull up, and you can slide and move it across your scar, doing it on different spots. Neither of the mobilization techniques should ever be painful. Start slow and light, and then you can go deeper or with more section as you get used to it. Consistency is going to be key to improve the appearance and feeling of your scar. I'm also going to link to an exercise video there for C-section recovery, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.